subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome to Smart Sky. Today, we will learn how to create sky in Blender. If you want similar video like this, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon. Click on Edit, Preferences, Search, Dynamic Sky. Left click to select Dynamic Sky. Save Preferences. Press N. On Create tab, click Create. Click on World Properties. Select Dynamic. Click on Render Preview. Change color. What do you want? Click on Overlays, to hide grid. Wait for rendering. You can also change cloud density and cloud opacity. Now this sky looks very realistic. That's all. Today tutorial is over. Have a nice day. If you like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.